loves you too. Said you're working on yourself. Is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day.
Hey guys, so we are here. We are in Orlando. We are in the hotel now. I kind of want to show you guys a little room tour. Okay, so this is the front of the door. This is a little like table, so like if you want to like chill, eat, that's good. This is also lights too, I think. Yeah, so you guys can see a better view. Then we have a little living area. Say hi, sister. She's just chilling. And just have a little coffee table. And then over here is the how do you call this, guys? Hey. Yeah, I'm gonna cut that off, Mary. It's a vlog, Mary. Why are you doing that for? That's not funny. Yeah, this is a TV. And then there's like, so we've stayed here before, so I just love. Yeah, she has it. This is her first time. Yeah, but this is like a good place to like put like your food and snacks. And then that's water, but if we can't read it because okay. Over here is where we have coffee, microwave, and inside of here is the refrigerator. Pretty decent size. There's my mommy. Okay, so what's cool, I just love about this suite is that like you can close it off and then mom open it. And then you go right into, this is the sink area and the mirror and the little like light fixtures and the big mirror. I love the sink too, so yeah. And then right here is the bedroom. It comes with two queen size beds. And then over here is the actually over here is the closet.
Can you turn off the AC? I'm sorry.
Yeah, turn it off. It's over there. It's behind the door. It should be behind the door or right by the door. Because that bus was so cold. And then this is like a little... I love how there's a TV outside in the living room. And I love how there's a TV here. So if someone want to watch TV, like, you could go outside. Or if you want to watch here, you could go... I don't know. It's just... I like that. And then more storage. And then... this is a safe. I love using the hotel safes because I love putting my stuff in there. And then it's like, I think it's like a little vanity mirror where you can just sit down, work, look out in the mirror, do your makeup. I'm not sure. And then my mom's closing the window. Yeah, it's not really a beautiful view out here, you guys, but this is the parking lot. So you have a parking lot view. And yeah, and this is my little sister's Doopy. And yeah, oh, sorry. In the middle of here, we have, this is, sorry guys, this is the nightstand. And on top of here, we have the phone, that. Let me go into my sister. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay, and then right here is the bathroom. And it's just a basic tub. I love the marble, and I love how like this curves. I love because like you don't have the drapes on you, and then you have like the toilet and some towels, and then yeah, and this is a very spacious from like the toilet and the door. Yeah, I love this resort. I've stayed in this resort like two times, so love it.
You are the one.